What's up, guys? It's your boy Javinci, and today I'm gonna give y'all the full walkthrough. I'm gonna take y'all with me when I go pick up this car. It's the weekend project. I'm gonna, get it before, walk around. Like, y'all get to see what we have to work on. Y'all get to see the whole process. It's gonna be a special episode. First full walkthrough with your boy Javinci at GetRite Customs. Yeah, bro. You see the shirt. Let's get it, and we off.
You got the sand all that's down, even the roof, right? Completely.
For the most part, until it's just smooth to the touch.
To where you can. Okay,
yeah,
all right. So you ain't gonna have to completely sand it down.
It just
cranking it up and getting ready to ride out. Oh, you got the car in there. That's what you know.
We got the car all sanded down. About to get into the masking process. Getting the windows and this mirror right here. We're gonna keep that light going. Door handles. Yeah, it's a bit of a job. But I already took out the front grille. Tape up the headlights. Got fog lights, so we're gonna tape all that up. And yeah, be on the way. So about to switch it back to a time lapse and give y'all a little video. Finished the car. I got it in front of me. I'm about to do a cleaning rep across the car, making sure the windshield and everything didn't get any type of overspray, just precautions and whatnot. But yeah, it's a nice color, real nice color. I'm gonna put it on the time lapse real quick. I'll probably cut some of this out because, just because, but yeah. The gold GetRite crest going on the finished project. About to go get ready to deliver it in Phoenix City, and yeah, let's see the reaction that we get.
Alright, y'all, GetRite TV, dog. Finna drop off the TSX. About to head up to Phoenix City. JJ gang here, took forever. So yeah, hold up, quick little song. I'm gonna tell you. But yeah, we out.
Run that up, Rico. Run that up, Rico. Run that up, Rico. Run that up, Rico.